There is a cat on the roof.
Is there a cat on the roof?
Yes, there is. There is a book on the shelf.
Is there a book on the shelf?
Yes, there is. There is a mango on the table.
Is there a mango on the table?
Yes, there is. There is a man.
Is there a man?
Yes, there is. There is a bookstore.
Is there a bookstore?
Yes, there is. There is a party.
Is there a party?
Yes, there is. There is a problem.
Is there a problem?
Yes, there is. There is a sofa in the living room.
Is there a sofa in the living room?
Yes, there is. There is a bag under the table.
Is there a bag under the table?
Yes, there is. There is a park next to my house.
Is there a park next to my house?
Yes, there is. There is a dog next to me.
Is there a dog behind me?
No, there isn't. There is no oven in the kitchen.
Is there an oven in the kitchen?
No, there isn't. There isn't a restaurant nearby.
Is there a restaurant nearby?
No, there isn't. There is no bed in the room.
Is there a bed in the room?
No, there isn't. There are 2 apples in the basket.
Are there 2 apples in the basket?
Yes, there are. There are 5 candles on the table.
Are there 5 candles on the table?
Yes, there are. There are flowers in the garden.
Are there flowers in the garden?
Yes, there are. There are birds in the tree.
Are there birds in the tree?
Yes, there are. There are puppies in the house.
Are there puppies in the house?
Yes, there are. There are trees in the forest.
Are there trees in the forest?
Yes, there are. There are students in the classroom.
Are there students in the classroom?
Yes, there are. There are cushions on the sofa.
Are there cushions on the sofa?
Yes, there are. There are many people in the park.
Are there many people in the park?
Yes, there are. There are no cups on the table.
Are there any cups on the table?
No, there aren't. There are no cookies on the plate.
Are there any cookies on the plate?
No, there aren't. There aren't kids in the playground.
Are there kids in the playground?
No, there aren't. There was a cafe here.
Was there a cafe here?
Yes, there was. There was a rainbow.
Was there a rainbow?
Yes, there was. There was a duck in the lake.
Was there a duck in the lake?
Yes, there was. There was a bakery near here.
Was there a bakery near here?
Yes, there was. There was a rabbit under the tree.
Was there a rabbit under the tree?
Yes, there was. There was a juice in the fridge.
Was there a juice in the fridge?
Yes, there was. There was no phone on the desk.
Was there a phone on the desk?
No, there wasn't. There was no cake at the party.
Was there a cake at the party?
No, there wasn't. There wasn't a dad in the house.
Was there a dad in the house?
No, there wasn't. There were many stars in the sky.
Were there many stars in the sky?
Yes, there were. There were balloons at the party.
Were there balloons at the party?
Yes, there were. There were toys on the floor.
Were there toys on the floor?
Yes, there were. There were cookies in the jar.
Were there cookies in the jar?
Yes, there were. There were cars on the road.
Were there cars on the road?
Yes, there were. There were no chairs.
Were there any chairs?
No, there weren't. There were no books in the bag.
Were there books in the bag?
No, there weren't. There weren't bananas in the bowl.
Were there bananas in the bowl?
No, there weren't. There weren't fish in the river.
Were there fish in the river?
No, there weren't.